Drones were a game changer to begin with, but mini drones have taken it a step further. These small, portable, and often foldable flight machines aren't just fun to fly around. They're the next revolutionary step in photography and film. The best mini drones open up a whole new world of capturing epic shots for your trip that are entirely your own. Beautiful panoramic overhead views are just the beginning, as the photography features continue to grow with each generation of drones. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 mini drones for photography. So without further ado, let's get started. Everyone starts from somewhere, and if you're new into drone photography, the Potensic A30W RC Mini Quadcopter is here for you. This smart drone's built-in FPV camera provides 720p HD images and real-time videos through Wi-Fi transmission without delay, so that you can get video and pictures from the air with a better perspective and clearer quality. You can connect your drone with the app to unlock more fun options. You'll be able to control your drone's movement by tilting your phone to fly forward, backward, left, and right. With the app, you'll also be able to set a waypoint that your drone will follow. The quadcopter will ascend and hover at a fixed altitude, or land gently on the ground with the press of a single button. And with its removable and rechargeable battery, you can use this drone for a longer period of time. So if you're looking for an entry-level drone to get into drone photography, then you should check out the A30W RC Mini Quadcopter from Potensic. Don't let heavy rain or harsh weather stop you from getting the perfect shot, because the Powervision PowerEgg X will accompany you through harsh weather. The drone's 4K UHD camera is packed with multiple features. It utilizes the built-in AI feature, 170-degree field of view, and 3-axis gimbal stabilizer to capture and record accurate photos and videos. The drone has a flying range of 3.7 miles, so you can fly it at the perfect distance or height. And harsh weather won't stop you, because it has a maximum wind speed resistance of 18 to 24 miles per hour, so that it can stably fly in windy conditions. Its waterproof material will allow you to use the drone during heavy rainfall. And with the proper accessories, you can even land it on water. This amazing drone comes with a powerful battery that will allow you to fly it off for up to 30 minutes on a single charge. The Powervision PowerEgg X is the perfect photography tool for those who don't let rough weather stop them from getting their job done. Introducing the F11 Pro from RUKO, a user-friendly drone that can go toe-to-toe with the best drone. The RUKO F11 Pro adopts the foldable quadcopter design, and its camera comes with a 120-degree FOV lens and 90-degree adjustability to give you a broad view of your memorable moment. With the help of its built-in stable and strong GPS signal, it can reach live video transmission of 300 to 500 meters safely and hover stably to catch clearer images and return to you precisely. It comes with easy-to-operate functions like auto-return, FPV, tap-fly, headless mode, one-key takeoff, or landing. You can do all of them by pressing the controller buttons or through the smartphone app. Equipped with an upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery that provides up to 30 minutes of flight time, the F11 Pro can fly 4,000 feet on a single charge. The RUKO F11 Pro offers many impactful features and comes at a reasonable price point. The HS510 from Holy Stone is a compact and lightweight drone, but it features very good specs for drone photography enthusiasts. It comes with a powerful camera that can record smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second, 2.7K video at 25 frames per second. This drone utilizes dual satellite connectivity using both GPS and GLONASS navigation systems. along with the optical flow positioning, barometer, and satellite systems for more accurate navigation and safety. You can also connect your drone with the app for more fun options like GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Tap Fly. It comes with a 1300 mAh battery that will allow you to fly the drone for up to 16 minutes on a single charge. The compact and lightweight design of the HS510 from Holystone is perfect for those who want a compact and lightweight drone as their travel companion. Explore your world without limitations with the DJI Mini 2, a small drone that comes with bigger features to give you unlimited opportunities. It comes with a camera that can record 4K videos at 30 FPS. The camera combines with a 3-axis motorized gimbal to ensure stunning image quality no matter the condition. Apart from having a stunning camera, the Mini 2 also comes with amazing features like OcuSync 2.0, panorama, 4x zoom, and quick shot to enhance your photo and video quality. The Mini 2 can resist up to level 5 winds and can take stable footage from max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, which is surprisingly too long for a drone this small, you'll have more than enough time to compose the shot that you want to take. The DJI Mini 2 fits the description for the perfect mini drone for photography. It is compact, has great features, and has a long-lasting battery, which makes it the best mini drone that you can get your hands on for photography. So that was all for the top 5 mini drones for photography. Don't forget to like, comment, and share on our video. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.